So we are from Voice of Buddha Editions. I'm the founder of Karl Marx Literature. I'm an advocate and author by profession. So we have tried to bring many Baba Saheb's writings in a unique format which is appealing to masses also. The idea is also we want to use his writings as a portrait also. So the book is actually a portrait book. The front page is only the picture of Baba Saheb. The back side you can find the title of it. So this is like the Constituent Assembly speeches, the three important speeches that he gave. This is very important still now, which has been given during when the resolution was passed during the discussion about the aims and objectives of the Constitution, and when the draft Constitution was introduced, and finally when the speech he gave while adopting the Constitution. These three speeches are included here, and this is something which Baba Saheb himself desired. He wanted always the caste in India and annihilation of caste to be read together. But he couldn't do that. So, as a tribute to him, we have brought the caste in India and annihilation of caste together. This is another closer effect. And again, the Untouchables. We'll be bringing all the works of him in a phase-by-phase manner. So, this is the Untouchables by our edition. And the most important work that I've done is this Mastering Baba Saheb. So what is this Mastering Baba Saheb? Is like it's an essential thoughts of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. It has 3 volumes. So volume 1 alone I have taken the Baba Saheb's volumes, writings and speeches, volume 159. These 3 volumes constitute volume 1 in my edition. So it is like a compendium. So what I have done is I have also like taken the essential writings and I have given the headings from Baba Saheb's writing himself. I haven't introduced any of my writings here. So just you go, you remember the headings, it's like brain mapping. You can understand all Baba Saheb's writings in a reverse manner also you can present it. So this is volume 1, which has Baba Saheb's writings volume 159. And volume 2 mainly deals about all the religious things and all like that. It is actually volume 3 and 4 of writings and speeches of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Volume 3 is about riddles in Hinduism, philosophy of Hinduism, revelation, counter-revelation, Buddha or Karl Marx and all. So these entire things about religion and all can be done in this volume 2 of my Mastering Baba Saheb. And volume 3 is my favorite and which every public wants to read and it will be easy for them to understand because these are the complete speeches of Baba Saheb's writings. Volume 17, Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. These 3 volumes I have condensed into a digest, into a volume 3 in my Baba Saheb's Mastering Baba Saheb. So you can get this in complete laminated form like this. It's a complete set. And this is an interesting thing which I picked from what Congress and Gandhi did to the Untouchables. So it's volume 9, but in that book you can see how different national leaders who fought for independence, how their views were so backward with regard to the depressed classes, the scheduled castes. So I have just, whatever Baba Saheb has cited about them, whether it is Annie Besant, Dadabhai Naoroji, Badruddin Tyagi, Banerjee, Surendranath Banerjee, Balaganga Tilak, Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, finally coming to Gandhi and Congress. So I have just used the phrase used by Baba Saheb, social Tories and political radicals. When it comes to the social reforms, we become Tories, conservative. When it comes to politics, independence and all, we become suddenly liberals. So that I have titled like that. It's actually volume 9 for Congress and Gandhi Untouchables. And these are complete Baba Saheb's work. From my publishing was Voice of Buddha Editions. Apart from that, I also authored some book called Uncast. The recent thing about a Supreme Court judgment which diluted the Atrocities Act, SC Prevention of Atrocities Act. I co-authored with another justice and it exposes how Supreme Court itself is not rightly interpreting the SC Prevention of Atrocities Act. So it is a criticism of about the Supreme Court judgment. And another interesting book is this, which is my favorite. It has made me a journalist, though I am not from a journalist background. This is called Emulating Ambedkar, Think, Speak, Write and Argue like Baba Saheb. So what I have done is how he has used English in his writings, how sometimes even while giving speeches, he alerts the audience that his speeches are going to be dull also. But finally he will make it interesting like that. His way of making the audience engage, his writing things, how he sometimes openly criticizes, how he makes sometimes fun, how he sometimes point blank to the point and all like that. So these extracts you can find just the bolded section which I have highlighted. Through that each one has a different way to perceive. So this is my favorite. It's a thin book but it has really enriched my way of thinking and writing, and even as an advocate, how I argue before the court. So thank you, Jayveen.